of Chastain Beach. Well, we're actually a little bit north of Chastain Beach because we walked up here. This area was really affected by the hurricanes, by the way, by Hurricane Nicole. A lot of this beach got washed away. It was so bad that, like, those rocks over there, the whole reef and everything, used to be covered, had a layer of sand over it, and it was easier to walk across. Now it's all exposed and a little bit harder to walk. But besides all that, we just thought it would be a good place to film an episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. So here's how it works. Flying the drone is like my favorite hobby, and these videos give that hobby a purpose because I can post my shots and you can vote on which shot you like the best and help me find my best drone shot. So I appreciate you watching these videos and yeah, you know, kind of giving these videos a purpose. Alright, well, I flew the drone, I got my 3 shots. I hope you find one that you like. If you do, please vote for that shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Scott, and this is my journey. And I'll see you in the next video.